Hello, it's Carla here, and I'm with Erin, and today we're doing some more handy hints. Today we're looking at working as a very specific type of grass. There are many different types of grass, but this is a great grass to work on for people who have arthritis in their fingers, so their hands are kind of clawed, or they have neurological conditions which have meant they've gone into flexure contractures. So we're wanting to work on building their finger extensors. And those finger extensors are a muscle called the lumbricals. And those muscles come in and they attach through the two phalangeal joints. They attach into the tendons of your forearm, so your digitalis extensor muscles, which cross over the wrists. But what we're wanting to do is really work these muscles. And so we want to achieve your lumbrical grasp. So we do exercises just like this, our duck hand exercises. But as with all hand exercises, you want to grade your load and very carefully. So what I've done here, this can be too heavy for people. That's okay. You might start with a mobile phone, but this is where I want to grade, slowly building it up. I've put this so the thumb is supported, so we're not taking it out of range, but the thumb doesn't have a lumbrical, okay? So these fingers here have the lumbricals. Can you feel that? It's actually quite hard. And now you're just going to lift your arm. So you're going to bring shoulder reach into that. Yeah, good work. And now, the way I like to add the load over time, especially if I'm using this board, is you can just add the little Makarlu domes because they're magnetic. And each time, it makes it that much harder. Thank you and enjoy.